Hey everybody, if you're like me and have so many different charging devices, a charging station is what is useful for you. So check this one out here. I'll explain it here. It comes with some instructions, but you get lots of the little wires. That's good. I love the way it comes with the wires. So, this comes with various ones. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all, these are USB-C to, let's see, to USB-C, I think is what these are all. These are all USB-C to USB-C. So we have 4 of those. We have, looks like we have, oh wait, is it? It's hard to tell. Some of them might be USB. I guess 3 of them are USB-C to USB-C. One of them is USB-C to USB. Okay, we have USB-C to Lightning. We have 2 other Lightning ones to USB, Lightning to USB, and then we have a micro USB to USB. So we have a variety of ones here. You can use your own wires as well, so don't worry about that. And then we have the charging dock here, the station. So this is what you get here. So you can see it's heavy duty. It's got various size spaces. Like this space here would probably fit my MacBook Pro. This one here would fit my MacBook Air, my iPad, my phone, all the different stuff that I have. So you can plug all your different items in there, and then you connect it up to the power with this little wire here to power. We're given this as well, which I think is just a cable management system. So it can go in there and you can run some stuff through it as well. And then basically you just plug in each of these things here and plug it in, and then plug in your device. So it's going to be able to do iPhone, it says iPhone tablet, phone tablet, phone tablet, phone tablet, and then just various USB-A. So it is a really nice little setup here, and it has the different wattages there and outputs. We have 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 20 volts, all the way up for the different ones. So we have all our different settings on there. Is there anything else we need to know? Let me see if there's anything else in the instructions that we might be missing. But it's pretty straightforward. You just put them all in there and you can just have them always on charge. I have like a bunch of different battery packs, and problem is they're always out of batteries, but I can put this thing on the kitchen counter and plug all my battery packs in there. And then when the kids go and grab one to go, then they'll grab it. And then when they come back, they need to make sure that they plug it in. So that is a good little device. So here's all the instructions for it. Kind of explains everything. If you need it, you could probably pause and zoom in, but you get the idea. Very straightforward and nice to have. And this one here is nice and white, matches all my white stuff in my white house. So very good. Thumbs up.